So children, our first topic is starting PowerPoint. So how to start PowerPoint? Click on Start button, All Program, Microsoft Office and Microsoft PowerPoint. So now our PowerPoint window appears on the screen. Okay, so you can see the PowerPoint window in my desktop. Okay, so now we are going to learn the parts of a window. Okay, so what are the PowerPoint Windows parts? So now we can see the PowerPoint window, how it look like. Okay, so in this window, at the top, you can able to see the title bar. Okay, title bar. In the title bar, at the corner, the top line is title bar. And at the first, you can able to see a round shape button. It is called Office button. Okay, so Office button is the left side, round shape button is Office button. So near to the Office button, you can see tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab, animation tabs. So that is the tab line. And down to the tab, you can see a group of icons. Okay, so that is called groups. So clipboard groups, slide group, font group. So like that, group of icons are there. And at the left pan, you can see the slide tab area. So this is slide tab, slide and outline tab area. So here you can able to see a small thumbnails of tabs. And at the center of the screen, you can see a slide area. Okay, so you can see the white page there, that is called slide. And inside the slide, you can see a dotted lines area. So that is called placeholder, where you can type your text inside the placeholder. Just click there. Okay. And the last bottom, you can see click to add notes. So this is called speaker notes. So just to add some clues about for what we are creating the presentation. So you can add a clue at the speaker note area. So in the title bar, you can able to see the title bar now clearly. So it is written as Presentation 1 Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so that is title bar. In the title bar, you can see the quick access toolbar near to the Office button and minimize, maximize and close button. Okay, so these are the parts of a window. So now we are seeing about Office button, ribbon, tab and slide tab, slides, placeholders. And finally, we have seen the speaker note area. Clear children about parts of a Microsoft window? Our next topic is creating new presentation and save, close and open menus. Okay, so in this topic, you are going to see how we can able to create a new presentation. Okay, and how we can able to save it, close it and reopen it. Okay children, now we are going to see our next topic. Our next topic is creating a new presentation. So along with creation, we are going to see how to save it, how to open and how to close your presentation. Okay. So see, in my desktop, I have opened a new a presentation. So now I have no needles. I wanted new presentation. So just click on the Office button. So at the left corner, you can see Office button. So click on the Office button. In that, you can able to see new, open, save, save as and close. So now you click on new option. So at the blank and recent option, check it and click on blank presentation. And finally, click on create button. So now we can see a new presentation is created. This is a fresh presentation. Okay. So in the click to add title area, you can see a dotted lines at the foreside. This is called placeholder. So here you can able to add your text. Just click there. The cursor will come. You can add it. So now I am going to show how to save it. So click on Office button and save. And the Save As dialog box appear. You can type the file name and click Save button. Okay, you can also select the location where you want to save it. And finally click on the Save button to save your presentation. So I am given the name as My Hobbies. So you can see in the title bar the name as My Hobby Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, To close, you can use your close button at the title bar, or in the office button you can use close or exit PowerPoint. So if you click on exit PowerPoint, you are exiting from the PowerPoint software. Okay, you are coming out from the PowerPoint software. This is the method to close. And to open, and to open means already saved one. So already saved PowerPoint, you can able to open the presentation. Okay, so by clicking on open, you can open the previous one. Okay, now I am showing how to change, how to open it. So click on the open option and just click on the name. That's all. Okay, so now we have seen how to take a new presentation, how to save a presentation, and how to close and open a presentation in PowerPoint software. Clear, children? So just click on office button. So press on new to take a new presentation. Open already saved one. Already saved one, you can able to open it. And if you want to save it, you can press on save option. And to close your presentation, click on close option or exit PowerPoint to entirely close your presentation. Clear, children?